Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Gourmet's Delight by Faiza. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. As Ramadan is approaching, thought of showing you all pre-Ramadan preparations, the ones which I prepare before Ramadan. Breadcrumbs. To make breadcrumbs, take a loaf of bread and now tear the bread and put this into a blender or a jar. And now grind this to a crumb-like consistency. So these are the crumbs. If you're using it immediately, you can use it as it is. To store it, take a pan and put the crumbs directly into the pan and toast them for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Once cooled, you can just store this. So these are the perfect crumbs. Store it in an airtight container. You can store this and use for up to 2 months. Next, chaat masala. To make chaat masala, in a pan add 3 tablespoons coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons black peppercorns, 3 tablespoons cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons fennel seeds and 2 bay leaves. You have to dry roast all this until a subtle aroma from it comes. So this is done. Now, once cooled, grind this to a powder. So this is perfect. Now I'm going to grind this. And now add the dry ingredients. Just look at this. Three tablespoons raw mango powder, 2 tablespoons black salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon citric acid. Just mix this well. Doesn't it look just like the ones which we buy from outside? Now store this in an airtight container. You can store this and you can store it for up to 2 months. And now fried onions. To make this, take 1 kilo of large onions, peel them, and now you need to cut them, slice them. You can use your hand to slice, but to save time and energy, I'm going to use a food processor. So this is done. Now just wash them. Wash them nicely and drain them. Once drained completely, you can fry them. I had already kept the oil for frying. Now deep fry them. Be very careful, it might splutter. To make it even more crispier, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon salt and fry them until amber in color. So this is almost done. Transfer this onto an observant paper. So once done, follow this. Pat them dry to remove the excess oil from it. And also it will be very crispy and crunchy. And now you can store this in a Ziploc bag. Remove the excess air from it. You can store this and use it. You can store it up to a month. In this way you can save your cooking time. And next, Schezwan sauce. We need 1/3 cup of oil, 15 to 20 garlic cloves and 2-inch ginger finely chopped. And now add the red chili paste. To make this, take 2 cups of red chilies and soak it in water for half an hour and grind it by adding little water. Once this is done, add half cup of water and stir it. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 cup tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoon vinegar, white vinegar, 2 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt or as you require, and stir this well. Cover this and cook on medium flame for 5 minutes, medium low flame, and just check this is done. Once cooled, store this in an airtight container and you can use this for up to a month.